Today, we're diving deep into how you can keep your knees healthy and strong. Knee problems are common, but with the right knowledge and habits, you can protect your knees and keep them in top shape. Your knees are crucial for mobility and overall quality of life. Whether you're an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or just someone looking to stay active, maintaining knee health is essential. Understanding knee anatomy. 1. Let's start with a quick overview of knee anatomy. The knee is a complex joint involving bones, cartilage, ligaments, and muscles. 2. The bones include the femur, thigh bone, tibia, shin bone, and patella, kneecap. 3. The cartilage, specifically the meniscus, acts as a cushion and stabilizes the knee. 4. Ligaments such as the ACL, anterior cruciate ligament, PCL, posterior cruciate ligament, MCL, medial collateral ligament, and LCL, lateral collateral ligament, connect bones and provide stability. 5. Muscles like the quadriceps and hamstrings support and move the knee joint. Common knee problems and their causes. 1. Knee pain can stem from various issues like ACL injuries, meniscus tears, arthritis, and patellar tendinitis. 2. ACL injuries often occur during sports involving sudden stops and changes in direction. 3. Meniscus tears can result from twisting motions or aging-related wear and tear. 4. Arthritis, particularly osteoarthritis, is common in older adults due to cartilage breakdown. 5. Patellar tendinitis, also known as jumper's knee, affects those who frequently jump or run. 6. Causes can include overuse, poor biomechanics, weak muscles, and aging. Understanding these can help in prevention. Importance of warm-ups. 1. Warming up increases blood flow, loosens muscles, and prepares your body for exercise, reducing the risk of injury. 2. Start with 5–10 minutes of light cardio, like walking or cycling, to raise your heart rate. 3. Follow with dynamic stretches like leg swings, lunges, and knee circles to mobilize your joints and muscles. Strengthening exercises for knee health. 1. Strong quads stabilize the knee. Exercises like squats, leg presses, and step-ups are effective. 2. When doing squats, ensure your knees don't go past your toes, and keep your back straight. 3. Leg presses target the quadriceps. Adjust the weight to a manageable level and perform controlled movements. 4. Step-ups mimic daily activities. Use a stable surface and alternate legs to balance the workout. 5. Balance is key. Strengthen your hamstrings with exercises like deadlifts, hamstring curls, and bridges. 6. Deadlifts work multiple muscles. Keep your back straight and lift with your legs to avoid strain. 7. Hamstring curls can be done with machines or resistance bands. Ensure a full range of motion. 8. Bridges target the hamstrings and glutes. Lift your hips and hold, then lower slowly. 9. Don't neglect your calves and glutes. Calf raises and glute bridges support overall knee stability. 10. Calf raises strengthen the lower leg. Perform them on a step for a greater range of motion. 11. Glute bridges enhance hip stability. Squeeze your glutes at the top for maximum effect. Flexibility and mobility exercises. 1. Flexible muscles reduce stress on your knees. Incorporate stretches for your quads, hamstrings, calves, and hips. 2. Quad stretches can be done standing or lying down. Hold each stretch for 20–30 seconds. 3. Hamstring stretches include standing toe touches and seated forward bends. 4. Calf stretches can be done against a wall. Lean into the stretch for a deeper effect. 5. Hip flexibility is crucial. Stretch your hip flexors with lunges and your outer hips with seated twists. 6. Yoga and Pilates improve flexibility and strength. Poses like downward dog and warrior can benefit your knees. 7. Downward dog stretches multiple muscles. Keep your spine aligned and heels pressed down. 8. Warrior poses build leg strength and flexibility. Hold each pose for 20–30 seconds. Proper footwear and orthotics. 1. Wear shoes that provide good support and cushioning. Avoid high heels and worn-out shoes. 2. Look for shoes with a firm heel counter and adequate arch support. 3. Replace shoes regularly, especially if you run or walk frequently. 4. Custom orthotics can correct imbalances and provide extra support, especially if you have flat feet or high arches. 5. Consult a podiatrist to get custom orthotics tailored to your specific needs. Weight management and diet. 1. Excess weight puts additional stress on your knees. Aim for a balanced diet and regular exercise to manage your weight. 2. A healthy diet includes fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. 3. Avoid processed foods and sugary drinks. Opt for water, herbal teas, and natural juices. 4. Incorporate anti-inflammatory foods like fish, nuts, and leafy greens. Stay hydrated and consider supplements like glucosamine and chondroitin. 5. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish can reduce inflammation. Nuts and seeds provide healthy fats. 6. Glucosamine and chondroitin supplements can support joint health. Consult your doctor before starting any new supplement. Techniques for injury prevention. 1. Using correct form during activities can prevent knee injuries. Learn the proper techniques for exercises and sports. 2. When lifting weights, avoid locking your knees and use controlled movements. 3. During running, maintain a midfoot strike and keep your steps light and quick. 4. Listen to your body and avoid pushing through pain. Schedule rest days and vary your workouts to prevent overuse injuries. 5. Cross-training can reduce the risk of overuse injuries. Include different types of exercises in your routine. Recovery and rehabilitation. 1. Rest, ice, compression, and elevation are key to initial injury recovery. 2. Rest to allow healing, ice to reduce swelling, compression to support the area, and elevation to decrease blood flow. 3. Working with a physical therapist can help rehabilitate and strengthen your knee after an injury. 4. Physical therapy exercises are tailored to your specific injury and recovery stage. 5. Follow your therapist's advice and progress gradually to avoid re-injury. Mental and emotional well-being. 1. Stress can affect your physical health. Practice stress-reducing techniques like meditation and deep breathing. 2. Mindfulness meditation can help you stay present and manage stress. 3. Deep breathing exercises can calm your mind and relax your muscles. Conclusion. 1. We've covered a lot today. Remember, keeping your knees healthy involves a holistic approach, including strength, flexibility, proper footwear, diet, and mental well-being. 2. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below with any questions or your own tips for knee health. Thanks for watching, and stay active. 1. If you have any questions or tips of your own, leave them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. See you in the next video. This structured content will keep your audience engaged while providing them with valuable information on maintaining knee health. Each section is designed to be informative, easy to understand, and practical, ensuring viewers can apply the tips and techniques in their daily lives.